Welcome back to our channel, and on today's video I will be showing you how to make homemade scones. So thank you so much Premier Gang for plugging in. Be sure to give us a like, a nice comment, and share our video to as many people as you can. So for the ingredients, I have sugar, warm milk, salt, instant dry yeast, 2.5 cups of home baking flour, butter, and my mixing bowl and hand mixer. So let's go ahead and mix the ingredients together. So I will start with my 1 glass of warm milk, and I'll pour this into my mixing bowl. Thereafter, I will add 2.5 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Remember, we are making homemade scones. This can be taken during breakfast, at your 4 o'clock tea, or even with your soup. Then I will add yeast. I have 10 grams of instant dry yeast. So I'll go ahead and pour this into the warm milk. Remember, yeast requires a warm environment for it to activate. So I have poured this into my warm milk. So this is the whole sachet. So after the yeast, guys, I had almost forgotten, we shall require 1 egg. So I'll add that into the mixture. Then I will add butter. So I'll do about 2 tablespoonfuls of butter. Then I will require some salt. I will use about a teaspoonful of salt for tasting. So I'll go ahead and mix all the ingredients together using a whisk.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do.
So once everything has mixed together, I will go ahead and pour in my 2.5 cups of flour into the wet mix. Like that. So once you've done that, now you, with your clean hands, go ahead and mix the dough together.
I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
So our dough is coming along very well.
I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but
So once all the ingredients have mixed with the dough, we are now going to transfer the dough onto our work surface. So sprinkle some flour onto your work surface, then transfer your dough, and we shall continue kneading and stretching the dough.
just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
my dough is well kneaded and I have put it in this shape. So what I will do next is to divide the dough into equal pieces like this. So I'll just be eyeballing the sizes. Like that, and once I'm done, I will cover this dough with a damp piece of kitchen towel. So after covering my pieces of dough that I have cut, I have gone ahead and greased my baking tins. As you can see, I have greased with butter. Then the next step is to put some parchment paper on them, because the baking tins are not non-stick, so that it will be easy to remove the scones from the tin. So the next step is to take our pieces of dough and roll them out, or rather shape them into small round balls like this. I'll continue doing this until I'm done.
Fly away. It's the first time of today.
So once I'm done shaping my scones, I will go ahead and lay them in my baking tray, which I have already greased and put a parchment paper. So I'll put about 6 scones onto each tray, because what will happen, guys, I will have to leave this covered for about an hour so that the yeast may rise, or rather the dough may rise. So you don't want to squeeze them, so that they can have enough space to rise. So I have 6 on each tray like that, and I will go ahead and cover this with a damp kitchen towel, and I will leave them covered for 1 hour. So see you in 1 hour. And so just before we put our scones into the oven, we shall have to prepare some egg wash, and the egg wash will bring that shine and golden brown color on our home scones. So we'll need 1 egg and some milk. So I'll beat this together.
Only one.
And done. This is our egg wash. So it's been 60 minutes since we covered our scones. So at this point in time, I will cover them with some egg wash so that we can get them to brown as they bake. So generously spread the wash on the scones. And as I'm doing this, my oven is preheating, and we shall be baking these home scones at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. So our oven has been preheating the last 10 minutes.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe, your superhero.
So 25 minutes later, our homemade scones are ready and are resting on a rack to dry. So I'll go ahead and just apply some margarine at the top just to soften the crust.
For my lungs, I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
So we have come to the end of our video, and on our breakfast table we have some homemade scones which you have seen me prepare on the video. I have some sausages, plantains, and an assortment of fruits. Then we have our coffee for those of us who take coffee, and our tea flask. So thank you so much, Premier Gang, for staying until the end. Be sure to like, share our video, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when we post our next video. And until our next video, remain blessed and see you. Goodbye.
To a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do.
Hey, zinaruka kila mahali. The struggle is real.
But it's so unworthy, my heart feels heavy. I'm lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now.